All right, it's day 2 of the leap. This is just one of my positions. So for those of you who know my market Cypher B strategy, I just want to show to you here is a perfect example. These white horizontal lines represent the open of 1 day. So this is representing 1 day's worth of price, and that's the daily open. That's the daily open for the next day. And if we are using 15-minute anchored waves, so when the 15-minute wave goes into oversold territory, you are probably catching the bottom wick of a daily candle. So you can see my entry here more or less was the bottom wick of this daily candle. If I'd entered here again, I couldn't because I've got the max allocation for my margin, so I was just holding that swing. But this would have been, again, a D15, right? A 15-minute anchored oversold wave with a divergence is catching the bottom wick of this daily candle. I can box it off and show it to you. All right, I'm just going to put a box like that. I'll just put a broad box where it's breaking back up. All right, oversold, 15-minute. Let's go to the daily time frame. All right, you can see you're catching the bottom wick of a daily candle, bottom wick of a daily candle. So the higher up it goes, the less likely you're going to get those pullbacks if it's going to, put in a higher high. But that's how you're doing it. And that's also basically those 15-minute anchored waves. I'll just go back there. These 15-minute anchored waves would be higher lows in an uptrend. So once you're in an uptrend, and you can see here, this one particularly, okay, I'm just going to mark it up for you. That's what these trigger waves are. They are higher lows in an uptrend and lower highs in a downtrend. You only want to long higher lows in an uptrend and short lower highs in a downtrend. It's all the same thing. It really is. It should be catching the wick on whatever your higher time frame candle is paired up with your lower time frame. All right, you can do this for the weekly, the monthly, whatever the case is. I've got the strategy on my channel, and also with TPM, we talk about the actual structure. So that's how it all marries up, and that is how I am trading for the leap. I'm probably going to have to take profits on these because the rules say that I have to actively trade for 10 days. So I can't just have entered once and hold these swings for like a week or two. I have to now actively trade, which is kind of annoying because I don't like scalping, but that's fine. I have set very near take profits for most of these, and once that happens, then I'm just going to start scalping basically. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully these all hit their take profits today, and then I'll just actively start trading.